California passes a landmark law requiring actors' permission for AI likenesses. More on that coming up, but first, an annual membership to Dashlane's Premium Password Manager is on sale for just $39, which is a discount of more than $20 and a savings of 35%. Just use the code SEPT35, all caps, at checkout. The company says this is in celebration of something called Cybersecurity Awareness Month, which actually doesn't start until October. It's always nice to see a festive new holiday on the scene. The next Amazon Prime Day sales event is set for October, but the early deals have already begun to trickle in. Case in point, there are some nifty discounts on Echo Show smart displays that ship with smart light bulbs. The Echo Show 5 is available for just $60, which is a discount of $50. This is a great all-around device that easily found a spot on our list of the best smart displays. It's bare bones, but gets the job done. We appreciated the compact design and the diminutive yet useful 5.5-inch screen. The compact size allows the Echo Show 5 to double as one heck of a smart alarm clock. Find the latest gadget news and reviews, along with the latest Prime Day news, right now at Engadget.com. California has given the go-ahead to a landmark AI bill to protect performers' digital likenesses. On Tuesday, Governor Gavin Newsom signed Assembly Bill 2602, which will go into effect on January 1st, 2025. The bill requires studios and other employers to get consent before using digital replicas of performers. Newsom also signed AB 1836, which grants similar rights to deceased performers, requiring their estate's permission before using their AI likenesses. AB 2602, introduced in April, covers film, TV, video games, commercials, audiobooks, and non-union performing jobs. Deadline notes its terms are similar to those in the contract that ended the 2023 actors' strike against Hollywood studios. SAG-AFTRA, the Film and TV Actors Union that held out for last year's deal, strongly supported the bill. The Motion Picture Association first opposed the legislation, but later switched to a neutral stance after revisions. The bill mandates that employers can't use an AI recreation of an actor's voice or likeness if it replaces work the performer could have done in person. It also prevents digital replicas if the actor's contract doesn't explicitly state how the deepfake will be used. It also voids any such deal signed when the performer didn't have legal or union representation. The bill defines a digital replica as a computer-generated, highly realistic electronic representation that is readily identifiable as the voice or visual likeness of an individual that is embodied in a sound recording, image, audiovisual work, or transmission in which the actual individual either did not actually perform or appear, or the actual individual did perform or appear, but the fundamental character of the performance or appearance has been materially altered. Meanwhile, AB 1836 expands California's post-mortem right of publicity. Hollywood must now get permission from a decedent's estate before using their digital replicas. Deadline notes that exceptions were included for satire, comment, criticism, and parody, and for certain documentary, biographical, or historical projects. The bill, which protects not only SAG-AFTRA performers but all performers, is a huge step forward, SAG-AFTRA chief negotiator Duncan Crabtree Ireland told the LA Times in late August. Voice and likeness rights, in an age of digital replication, must have strong guardrails around licensing to protect from abuse. This bill provides those guardrails. AB 2602 passed the California State Senate on August 27th with a 37-1 tally. The lone holdout was from State Senator Brian Daly, a Republican. The bill then returned to the Assembly, which passed an earlier version in May, to formalize revisions made during Senate negotiations. On Tuesday, SAG-AFTRA President Fran Drescher celebrated the passage, which the union fought for. It is a momentous day for SAG-AFTRA, members, and everyone else because the AI protections we fought so hard for last year are now expanded upon by California law thanks to the legislature and Governor Gavin Newsom, Drescher said. Thanks for listening to the show. Make sure to rate, review, and subscribe on Apple Podcasts. Today's show featured journalism by Engadget contributor Will Shanklin and was produced by Spoken Layer. I'm Imran Sheikh, and as always, we'll talk more tomorrow.
spoken layer.